In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change country on iCloud. This process is important because iCloud uses your Apple account country or region. Therefore, you must change your Apple account's country instead of changing iCloud separately. Let's dive into how you can do this on your iPhone or iPad. First, you need to open the Settings app on your device. This app is usually found on your home screen, represented by a gear icon. Tapping it will bring you into the Settings menu where you can adjust various options for your device. It's your hub for personalizing and managing your device settings. Once you open Settings, you'll see a list of options that affect everything from notifications to privacy. Next, tap on your name at the top of the Settings menu. This action takes you to your Apple ID settings where you manage your account details and subscriptions. Your name is displayed prominently, making it easy to locate. In this section, you can view your personal information and settings related to your Apple ID. Having access to this information is essential for making any changes to your account, so ensure you are on this screen before proceeding. From there, tap on Media and Purchases, then select View Account. You may be prompted to sign in with your Apple ID if you haven't done so already. Signing in ensures that your account is secure and allows you to access your account settings. Once you are in the account section, you will see various options related to your purchases, subscriptions, and more. This area is crucial for managing your account effectively. Now tap on Country or Region. This option lets you begin the process of changing your account's country settings. It is essential to be in this section because this is where you will initiate the change. You will see the current country listed, indicating where your account is currently set. Changing this setting will allow you to access content and services available in your new country. Next, tap Change Country or Region. This action will present you with a list of countries available for selection. Choosing the right country is vital because it determines the content you can access. Make sure to select the country that aligns with your needs. Once you make your selection, you'll be one step closer to updating your account settings. After selecting your new country, review and accept the terms and conditions. This step is crucial because it ensures that you understand the rules and agreements associated with your new country settings. Carefully reading through these terms protects you from misunderstandings later on. Accepting these terms will allow you to move forward in the process. Now enter a valid payment method and billing address for the new country, then tap Next. It is crucial to have payment information that matches your new location to ensure a smooth transition. If this information is not accurate, you may encounter issues accessing certain services. By entering this information correctly, you will avoid potential problems down the line. Before changing your country, Apple requires you to meet certain criteria. You must spend any remaining Apple account balance, cancel active subscriptions, and wait for pending refunds or rentals to complete. This is important because failing to do so may prevent you from successfully changing your account settings. Additionally, if you're part of family sharing, you might need to leave that group to proceed. If you can't change your country, it's usually because one of the requirements hasn't been met. Make sure to double-check everything to ensure a smooth transition. Following these steps will help you successfully change your country on iCloud, allowing you to access the content and services you need.